In today's video, I'm gonna go over cases, document, and email NVC is working on this week, and also I will check on update on 2 other countries. If it's something you wanna know, just stay tuned, and I'll be right back.
USA Monde.
Good morning, my beautiful people. This is John from USA Monde, and welcome back, and thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, as always, welcome. Here I help newcomers, permanent resident, and also U.S. citizen, regarding immigration questions, issues. Sometimes I give advice to newcomers to United States of America, so they know exactly what to do here, so they don't get in trouble, right? But today, like I said in the introduction, I'm going to talk about cases, document, and email NVC is working on this week. Some of you guys who've been watching my video for so long, that I update you guys every week once an NVC update on their website. Okay, so if you are a petitioner, you petition for a relative, and maybe your I-130 case is approved by the USCIS already, your case moved to NVC National Visa Center. I know you cannot anxious, you're waiting for NVC to contact you to tell you to start your immigrant visa process, actually your relative immigrant visa process, and then NVC will eventually contact you, and also the waiting time will depend on your visa category, and some of you guys who are immediate relative, NVC will contact you quicker, faster than if you are not an immediate relative. Okay, that's how it works, unfortunately. So yesterday, which was on November 16, NVC announced on their website that they start working on cases they received from USCIS on November 6, okay, which is like 10 days ago. They start working on those cases, and then they're gonna key in all the petition information, whatever they have in the case. They have to put those information in the system before they can contact you. If they don't do that, they cannot contact you. Okay, they cannot send you your invoice ID and case number, which you're going to use to log into the computer electronic application center. Because this information is for some of you guys who are new here, who don't know exactly how things work, or who don't check, some of you guys who don't check NVC National Visa Center website every week for updates. Okay, so once you get your login information, you have to pay fees, you have to submit document, and also if you're not watching the video series I'm doing about I-130, you need to watch those videos. I think on Friday, probably Friday or Saturday, I'm gonna do video number 14, I believe. Keep watching. Okay, that will show you the process, how it works. So once you pay the fees, like I said, you submit the document, all the document, you the petitioner, a document of you the intended immigrant as well, and then from there NVC gonna review your document. Okay, it's not like you just submit a document and be like, okay, now you submit a document, we're gonna schedule an interview for you. It doesn't work like that. They have to review document because there is a lot of fraud going on. People will send fake document. Now NVC will reject and start rejecting those documents, and they will ask you to submit another document. Okay, so make sure you submit a genuine document. All right, now once you submit those documents, they're gonna review it, like I say. But unfortunately, because of the immigration suspension, which affect some of you guys, NVC is not reviewing document of people who are affected by the immigration suspension now. Okay, they do reviewing those documents, but they are reviewing document people who are not affected first, and then they're gonna review document people who are affected. Okay, that's why they kind of a little bit slow, because yesterday they announced on their website also that they are reviewing document they received on August 27, which is like almost 10 weeks ago. So they are not moving fast regarding reviewing document. Okay, I think the reason why is because they have a lot of cases there. Okay, and they're waiting for U.S. Consulate to open to resume visa services, so they can schedule an interview for those people. So they have those documents there. So I think that's the reason why they kind of a little bit slow, because once they, you are documentary qualified, your document is just gonna sit there. there is nothing NVC can do, because some of you guys, maybe you don't understand it, but NVC doesn't have the power to schedule an interview for you. The U.S. consulate is the one that will give NVC a green light to schedule an interview for you. Okay, so then once they review your document, you are documentally qualified, meaning that the fees are correct, documents are correct, everything. That's when they're gonna schedule an interview for you. But like I say, most of U.S. consulate didn't resume visa services yet. Especially some of you guys who are affected by immigration suspension, you have to wait until December 31st on 2020 when the immigration suspension will be over, hopefully, because not only that, we have a new administration coming in January 20th, and things gonna change a little bit. All right, so like I said, they will then eventually, after the immigration suspension, some of you guys who are affected, NVC will be able to schedule an interview for you if the U.S. consulate, where the intended immigrant will go for interview, resumes on visa services. Okay, and then the third update, as always, the email. Some of you guys will send email to NVC, ask them question why they are not moving your case to U.S. embassy, why they reject your document, different questions. Well, NVC is doing the best to responding to those email every week. So yesterday, November 16, they announced on their website that they are responding to email they received on November 7, okay, almost a week ago. So you have to check your email, make sure you don't miss any email coming from NVC, because it can that email can be something very important, can have an important information in it. So you have to make sure you check your email box. Okay, so like I say, today I'm gonna check U.S. consulate of 2 other countries for you, and also some of you guys who are in Senegal, okay, who's relative in Senegal. Well, they resume partial visa services yesterday on November 16. Okay, you have to let your relative know, or you can call the U.S. embassy if you have any question. So guys, let's go in front of my computer so I can show you the update of those 2 countries I'm talking about. Okay guys, to come to this website, you have to type usembassy.gov in your browser, and then once you're on this website, you can choose the country you want to check a U.S. consulate update for. Okay, so the country we're going to talk about today, we start with letter A as Apple. All right, and the country is Albania. Okay, Albania is the country we're going to check the U.S. consulate update for. So over here, as you can see, you have the address where the U.S. consulate is located, and also the phone number in case you want to call them. So we click on U.S. Embassy Tirana to go to this website right here, and then from here we click on visas. So here, as you can see, they say all routine immigrant and non-immigrant visa services have been suspended through November 27, 2020. Please continue to monitor this website for updates. So it looks like after November 27, 2020, something gonna happen. Maybe they're gonna resume a partial visa services. We don't know for sure yet. But if you are somebody whose relative will go for a visa interview at the consulate, you have to keep checking the website for new update after November 27, 2020. Okay, and also they say over here, if you are Albania or you have a visitor visa, you want United States of America, your visa expire because of the pandemic or the COVID-19 crisis, you can extend your visa by filling up form I-539. Okay, and basically those are the information they have on their website. All right, let's move to another country, the second one we're going to talk about today. Go back here. The second country we're going to start with on letter S. Okay, click on S, and the country will be Saudi Arabia, because I have somebody asked me the other day when I did a live video to check on Saudi Arabia, but I didn't have a chance to do that. And then today I want to do that. So they have a different location. They have U.S. Embassy in Riyadh. They have another one, General in let me see, Daran, yeah, Daran. Okay, and then another one, Jeddah. Okay, all right. So let's check on the first one, the one on Riyadh. This is the address and phone number, and let's click on this one. That will take us to their website, and we can check the U.S. consulate information regarding the visas, non-immigrant and immigrant visa. Okay, over here, and so this is what they have here. Then we're gonna click on visas. Click on visas. They're gonna take us to the visas area, and then we can check the information. Okay, as you can see here, they say as of September 21st, on the United States mission to Saudi Arabia is resuming certain immigrant and non-immigrant visa services, including limited immediate relative IR1, IR2. You know, some of you guys who are spouse of U.S. citizen or minor children of U.S. citizen, this is your category right here. Employment EB3 and E5, this is for employment, and then K visa, fiancé K, as well as student and exchange visitor FMJ classes, and work EIOP and some H&L classes visas. Okay, so basically they resume partial visa services, not the full visa services, or in this category right here. So if you are somebody in this category, you need to check with the U.S. consulate. Okay, and also over here they're talking about, you know, some of you guys, some of visa applicants who pay fees but are unable to go to the NAV because of the pandemic. They're gonna extend that fees to until December 31st, 2021. So you guys can use the same fee to schedule a new NAV appointment. All right. So basically, that's what is going on in Saudi Arabia. If you are somebody who's going to interview on the, Saudi Arabia, here's the update. You know, you have to keep on checking the website every time for new update. Okay. So guys, basically that's what is going on. If you still want me to check the U.S. consulate of your country for you, please let me know in the description below. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys love it, learn something from it. If you know somebody who needs to watch this video, please share with that person. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to be notified every time I have a new video, just hit the bell. If you've been watching my video, you never subscribe, but you want to subscribe now, just hit the subscribe button or hit my picture over here. Once again, my name is John. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
USA Monde.